A very good morning to all of you. In this class, I am going to start with another question which is asked in previous board exam from the chapter Human Health and Disease. How many drugs are commonly abused, or what is difference in between opioid or cannabinoids on the basis of their receptor? So this is a question which is asked about. The question is asking about the type of drugs which are commonly abused. Now there are three type of commonly drug abused. Now these drugs are opioid. First is opioid. Second is cannabinoids. And third is coca alkaloids. So here these are the commonly used drug. और यहाँ पे सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे ओपियोइड्स. तो let us just start with the opioids drug. Opioid is a chemical which is formed by, or mainly is a drug which is extracted by the poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum. So latex of mainly here is extract of poppy plant, or latex of poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum. Papaver somniferum, from the Papaver somniferum, it was the latex. The opioids are the form of, the chemical name of these drugs is heroin. Receptors of opioid mainly present in central nervous system and in gastrointestinal tract, GIT. So the receptors of opioids mainly present in CNS, central nervous system, and gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract. Now the common opioid is heroin, commonly called smack, commonly also known as smack. जो heroin हो smack. Now heroin is also commonly known as smack. और actually में ये क्या है? Diacetyl, the chemical form, chemically this is diacetyl morphine, that is obtained by acetylation of morphine. मॉर्फिन के एसिटाइलेशन के थ्रू इसे ऑब्टेन किया जाता है हेरोइन को. नाउ in the poppy plant or Papaver somniferum, the latex of this plant or flower is used. So mainly the latex of the plant is used for formation used for the formation of drugs के एंड द जो यहाँ पे जो इसका फंक्शन होगा दे मेनली एक्ट एज ए डिप्रेसेंट के लिए होते हैं. Depressant and slow down the body function So here is a common characteristics of the opioid receptor, opioid drug. Commonly they extract from the poppy plant, which is known as scientific name of poppy plant is Papaver somniferum. Now receptor mainly present in the CNS, central nervous system or gastrointestinal tract. So they bind with the CNS receptor present on the CNS or in the brain or in the gastrointestinal tract. Now the commonly opioid drugs used is heroin, which is commonly called as smack, and chemically they are the diacetyl morphine, which is formed by the acetylation of morphine. तो मॉर्फिन के एसिटाइलेशन के थ्रू इसे लिया जाता है, एक्सट्रैक्ट या बनाया जाता है, प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है. नाउ लेटेक्स ऑफ द प्लांट इज यूज्ड फॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ड्रग. नाउ दे आर द फंक्शन ऑफ दीज आर वर्क एज ए डिप्रेसेंट की तरह वर्क करते हैं एंड ऑल्सो स्लो डाउन द बॉडी फंक्शन जितने भी बॉडी फंक्शन है उन्हें स्लो डाउन. दैट इज अगर कार्डियक ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम है या एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है या डिफरेंट सिस्टम है, नर्वस सिस्टम, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम, ब्लड सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, ये सभी स्लो डाउन हो जाएंगे. तो ये कॉमन इफेक्ट है. नाउ सेकेंड इज कैनाबिनॉइड्स. Now the second drug is cannabinoids. Now cannabinoids are the drugs or mainly the composition of different drugs. So ये मिक्सचर एक ड्रग्स का होता है. केमिकली ये डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ डिफरेंट एक कंबाइंड ड्रग होता है जहाँ पे डिफरेंट केमिकल्स लिए जाते हैं. मेनली दे ऑप्टेन जो नेचुरल कैनाबिनॉइड्स होते हैं दे आर ऑप्टेन फ्रॉम द प्लांट कैनबिस सटाइवा. तो ऑप्टेन from the plant cannabis sativa. So this is a plant which commonly used for the formation of cannabis or for extracting of the कैनाबिनॉइड्स. और यहाँ के इस प्लांट के बहुत सारे कॉम्बिनेशन, मेनली जो इन्फ्लोरेसेंस होगा वो यूज़ किया जाता है. इन्फ्लोरेसेंस, लीव्स एंड स्टेम, लीव्स, इन्फ्लोरेसेंस, सीड्स, ऑल आर यूज इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द डिफरेंट ड्रग्स, दैट इज हशीश. द डिफरेंट ड्रग्स different parts of plants like inflorescence, and stem, inflorescence, leaves are used for the combination, or different combination are used for making the different type of drug. Now these are hashish, charas and ganja. So they are a different form of the cannabinoids, or different combination are used to make the different type of drugs, that is hashish, charas, ganja. They are mainly formed by the inflorescence and leaves, a different type of inflorescence and leaves. मेनली फ्लावर जहाँ पे आएंगे और सीड्स आएंगे तो inflorescence का पार्ट वो रहेंगे. And leaves are also for making the hashish, charas, ganja. These are the different combination of the different part of plant. Now the receptors of these cannabinoids mainly principally present on receptors mainly present on the brain, in the brain brain में present होंगे and they also function as a depressant but slow down the or generally the effect of these cannabinoids on the cardiovascular system. Cardiovascular system and the chemically the structure of these cannabinoids, there is a presence of benzene ring with hydroxyl group on para position and 5 carbon 5 tel, and on the ortho position there is also a carbon chain is present, hydroxyl group. Now here is another hydroxyl group, presence of pi bond also here and the one carbon atom. Here is a chemical structure of the cannabinoids in which one benzene ring is present. On the 2 para position there is a hydroxyl group, one para position occupied by the hydroxyl group and second para position connected with the carbon chain. Now here is also the addition of the carbon chain, carbon add होंगे तो the chemical structure of the cannabinoids, and they mainly the receptors of these drugs mainly present in the brain, and different composition of these drugs used in the formation of different type of drug, that is inflorescences, and the combination of inflorescence, leaf, flower, seed is used for the preparing, or latex of the plant is used for the formation of different type of drug, that is hashish, charas and ganja. Now the receptors of these are present in the brain, and the effect generally they affect on the cardiovascular system, and the effect of opioid are mainly this function as a depressant and slow down the body function. Now third is commonly also known as cocaine, known as कोकेन के नाम से भी जाना जाता है, and obtained from erythroxylum coca. Erythroxylum coca is a native of South America. साउथ अमेरिका रीजन में मेनली ये ओरिजिनेट होते हैं. एरिथ्रोजाइलम कोका, यहीं से कोका एल्केलॉइड्स प्रिपेयर किया जाता है, और मेनली द रिसेप्टर्स ऑफ दीज एल्केलॉइड्स प्रेजेंट होंगे इन CNS. रिसेप्टर्स प्रेजेंट इन CNS, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. they bind with the, they interfere with the neurotransmitter substance transport of neurotransmitter substance like dopamine. ये डोपामिन के साथ बाइंड हो जाते हैं, और इसके जब ये बाइंड इंटरफेयर करते हैं डोपामिन के साथ, सो दैट इसके जगह पे ये डोपामिन की जगह पे कोका एल्केलॉइड्स बाइंड होते हैं, और जब ये CNS में बाइंड करेंगे तो जो एक पोटेंट स्टिमुलेट, दे कॉज अ पोटेंट स्टिमुलेट stimulation in the CNS part when they interfere with the dopamine or interfere with the neurotransmitter substance. जब ये इसकी जगह पे डोपामिन की जगह पे बाइंड होते हैं, then they cause the euphoria, increases energy, एनर्जी इंक्रीज करते हैं, और यूफोरिया कॉज और एक्सेस डोज ऑफ द कोका एल्केलॉइड cause hallucination कॉज करते हैं, जहाँ पे इन्हें अनवांटेड जो एक्चुअली में होता नहीं है वो भी दिखाई देने लग जाता है, तो सम टाइम हेलुसिनेशन और एक्सेस डोज हेलुसिनेशन कॉज करेंगे। और मेनली और यहाँ पे जो दे आर ऑल्सो नोन एज कोक और क्रैक, known by the common name coke and crack के नाम से भी इसे जाना जाता है। Now these are the common function of the and the characteristic of the drugs. Now next is the question is asking about the opioid and cannabinoids on the basis of difference in between opioids and cannabinoids on the basis of their receptor. So in the cannabinoids, the receptor mainly present in the brain, but in in the opioids, the receptor mainly present in gastrointestinal tract or CNS part. Central nervous system में present होंगे. Let us discuss about the difference in between the opioid or cannabinoid on the basis of presence of their receptor. So the difference in between opioids or cannabinoids are on the basis of their receptor. The receptor of opioids are present in the CNS part. Receptors present in the CNS, central nervous system, and gastrointestinal tract. Gastrointestinal tract में mainly present होंगे, and the receptors of cannabinoids mainly present in brain and mainly brain में principally they are present in the brain, और brain में present होंगे. They slow down the other body function, or mainly or also they decrease the work of cardiovascular system or control the cardiovascular system, but mainly they are present in the brain. So brain में present होंगे cannabinoids के receptor, but the receptors of opioids present in the CNS part and the gastrointestinal. Reason कर लेते हैं. What is the answer of today's question? In the question, they are asking about the different type of drugs. The different type of three main commonly drug which are abused, or these drugs are opioids, cannabinoids, and coca alkaloid. The last one is coca alkaloids. The opioids are mainly have the receptor in CNS part or in gastrointestinal tract, so they are generally bind with the gastrointestinal receptors of gastrointestinal tract and in the CNS receptor present in the CNS part. Now the function mainly they are morphine, or morphine is formed by the acetylation, or mainly they are the SMAC, and the SMAC is commonly formed by the latex of the Papaver somniferum plant, in which the inflorescence of or mainly the fruit part of this flower have the latex. From this latex undergoes the acetylation process. The morphine undergoes in acetylation process. By the acetylation of morphine, finally opioid drugs are formed, or SMAC are formed. Or the function of these drugs are generally they slow down the different body function or system of our body, that is cardiovascular system, nervous system, excretory system, respiratory system, or they also function in the they function as a depressant molecule और depressant की तरह वर्क करते हैं और स्लो डाउन द अदर बॉडी फंक्शन. सो ये हो गए. ऑब्टेन कहाँ से किया जाता है? पेपरवर्स, सोमनिफेरा एंड रिसेप्टर प्रेजेंट इन द CNS and the gastrointestinal tract, and the commonly they are heroin भी बोला जाता है इन्हें, or formed by the acetylation of morphine. Diacetyl chemical name is diacetyl morphine. Now next is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids mainly formed by obtained by the cannabis sativa. It is a different there is different type of drugs formed by the cannabis sativa, that is hashish, charas, ganja, which is formed by combining the different part of the plant, that is the part of the plant used for the formation of drug mainly is inflorescence, flowers, seed, that is flowers, seed and leaves are used for the formation of combination of different type of drugs, that is hashish, charas, ganja. So, and the receptor of cannabis sativa mainly present on brain, or they mainly control the slow down the cardiovascular system. Now next drug is opioid, coca alkaloid. Coca alkaloid mainly they commonly known as cocaine, or they increase the energy, or because they have potent stimulating action on the CNS part. So receptor present mainly in CNS part, or they interfere with the neurotransmitter substance dopamine. In place of dopamine, they bind with the receptor present in CNS or act as a neurotransmitter substance and stimulate the brain of that person, or mainly increase the energy or also euphoria. Now in excess dose they cause the hallucination process, or they mainly cause hallucination. Now the coca alkaloids obtained from the Erythroxylum coca, which is a native plant of the South America. So here these are the characteristic of these three drugs. And now the second question is asking about the receptor, difference in between the opioid or cannabinoids on the basis of their presence of receptors. Now receptor of opioids mainly present in the CNS part and the gastrointestinal tract, and the cannabinoids, the receptors of cannabinoids mainly present in the brain. So the function of these two drugs, mainly the opioids also act as a depressant or slow down the other body function. The cannabinoids also cause, in some time causes hallucination, or also cause the and also slow down the body function. So these are the common characteristic of these drugs. These drugs causes the different effect in the person. Now only in the question, next question is name the drugs that are using as medicine in today's time. There are बहुत सारे drugs हैं that are used as in medicine for treating the mental illness, for example in depression and insomnia. These drugs are the drugs which are used in present day. Drugs are barbiturate, amphetamines and LSD that are used, that is lysergic acid, diethyl amines. These are LSD which are used in the three And the next one is benzodiazepines. These are the drugs which are used in the mental illness for treating the mental illness, and insomnia. And morphine is also used as painkillers. पेन किलर की तरह यूज किया जाता है. तो दीज आर ड्रग्स विच आर यूज इन द मेडिसिनल फॉर्म और इन द मेडिसिनल वे. द फर्स्ट इज barbiturate, amphetamine, LSD, benzodiazepines and morphines, which use as a painkiller, and these all four used in the mental illness or insomnia और इन डिप्रेशन. लाइक डिप्रेशन में यूज किया जाता है. डिप्रेशन में इंसोमिया पेन किलर में मॉर्फिन यूज किया जाएगा. एंड हियर दीज आर द क्वेश्चन विच आर रिलेटेड टू द टॉपिक ड्रग्स. सो डिस्कस करते हैं दोनों ही क्वेश्चन को. क्विक रिवीजन कर लेते हैं कि there are 3 type of common drugs which are abused, that is opioids, cannabinoids or in coca alkaloids. In opioids, the receptors are mainly present in the CNS part or gastrointestinal tract. They are commonly known as smack and morphine. They are formed by the acetylation of morphine, and chemically they are known as the diacetyl morphine. Now they are formed by obtained from the latex of the poppy plant, that is Papaver somniferum, and the function of the opioid drugs mainly these are used as a used by the snorting or injections. In the form of injection morphine लिया जाएगा. Now the function of this particular hormone is they act on or act as a depressant or slow down the body function. Now second is cannabinoids. Cannabinoids mainly obtained from the plant Cannabis sativa, or inflorescence or almost all part of the plant is used for the preparation of different type of drug, and the different combination are used for the formation of different type of drug. So these drugs are hashish, charas, ganja, in which the different part of the plant are used for the formation of this type of drug. Mainly the receptors of cannabis sativa present in the brain, and the effect of this drug on the cardiovascular system. Now third is coca alkaloids, also known as cocaine, crack, coke. These are the common name of these, and formed by or mainly obtained by the these are obtained by by the plant Erythroxylum coca, which is a native plant of South America, and the function of these mainly interfere these drugs mainly interfere with the receptor of CNS, that is neurotransmitter substance, or dopamine, interfere with the dopamine or bind with the in place of dopamine, causes euphoria and increase the energy. Excess dose of these drug causes hallucination process. Or now in the present day, the sport person are also using the cannabinoids, different form of the cannabinoids. Now the next question summary is the other drugs which are used as a medicinal and used as medicine in painkiller or mental illness in treating the depression or insomnia. Now these are barbiturate, amphetamine, or lysergic acid diethylamines, or benzodiazepines. So these are the drugs which are used in the insomnia and depression. And morphine used as a painkiller. So here is the common example or common questions of the common answer. Here is the answer of that question. Now next class में next important topic discuss करेंगे.